I think metals is proving to be a real genuine asset class, because I think for many years maybe people thought only gold bags should own gold, but now, especially the last 3 years, metals have, I think, proven to be a bit of a juggernaut. And it's hard to tell how much of it is geopolitical uncertainty, dollar and currency weakness versus dovish central banks. But maybe if it's all three, that explains why gold's done so well. I don't think that those are bad for equities, because if this is anticipating dollar weakness or more dovish moves by central banks, then it's good for asset prices. So I almost think the gold move could be sort of a glimpse into sort of risk appetite growing for stocks.
As a result of things like dollar weakness and everything else, right? This idea
Correct.
that you go into more riskier assets or ones that are diversified away from there. If you're going to look at that, though, with the dollar weakness intact, Kelly also mentioned the Mag 7 stocks and the slew of earnings we've got coming up. Weaker dollar has typically in the past, from a conventional wisdom standpoint, meant better for large multinational companies. It helps their overall revenue profile, especially outside the U.S. Is that still something that we want to look towards as a true tailwind for this market, other than just saying maybe risk assets are in vogue and we just want to play the AI trade ad nauseum for the rest of this year?
Yeah, I mean, in some ways, I think one of the big sort of real stories this year is earnings growth is accelerating. And that was because of onshoring, the tariff headwinds disappearing. But now if we have dollar weakness, I think it puts more upside to the earnings story. Investors aren't necessarily paying for that right now because multiples have been compressing, but I think it really helps anchor stocks. So between now and the end of the year, I think there can be a lot of reasons for speed bumps, but I think as we exit the year, the earnings story is anchoring, I'd say, upside to our 7,700 target.